Mr. Venugopal Dut joins in to talk about the Kurdish oil blocks that they are eyeing. Mr. Dut, thanks very much for taking out the time. Could you give us more details about these oil blocks? When did the bids open and how many blocks are on offer?
You see, there is 9 blocks on offer at Kurdistan by a U.S. company. As you know, Kurdistan is near Iraq and has got a very, very oil-rich company, and there it is a very, very solvent government. So our oil department has found out that there we can get a good oil, and that's why we are looking at this. And it's a good oil field, and it will be available at a very, very cheap rate, as we have got Mozambique and Brazil, etc., at a very low rate. And then after the development, it will have a huge valuation. So this is a good line for Videocon.
What is the rate differential, Mr. Dut, if you could highlight that? And also, in lieu of that, what is the kind of value that you're proposing for these blocks?
You see, value will depend on the concessions, etc., what the government, that company is giving to us. Especially today, being the oil prices are very high, everybody will expect high. But we are in the exploration business also, and we know how to handle this. Apart from that, we have tapped our national partner BPCL. BPCL has also shown interest, and wherever we have gone with BPCL, we have struck a huge oil, as you have been knowing our Mozambique success, then our Brazil success, and Indonesia and Australia success. Apart from that, we always go for oil field with some of the government of India's companies. We have got IOL as a partner. We have got ONGC Videsh as a partner. We have got BPCL and HPCL. Both are partners in various fields in Timor, Australia, etc. So one of them we will take as our partner, and then we will have a very good oil find there, and which could be brought into India also.
Okay, what's the amount that you propose to bid for these blocks? The value, Mr. Dut?
What to say is that what the option price I'm going to bid. Really, it will be a very, very competitive, and we will not go for a very high bid. But looking at our experience, and there it is not like India. Auction price is not the only consideration. What is consideration is who are the party behind. Especially when Government of India is behind, then it's always a good thing. Apart from that, Videocon experience is also good. So price is not there. There are other criteria also there, the eligibility, etc. And on that we are fitting. So it is Khurshid Oil will be a good opportunity for us to add to our oil reservoir of, say, Mozambique, Brazil, Indonesia, etc. So we are very much interested.
What about the geopolitical risk, sir? Because as we understand, a lot of oil companies are actually shying away from the bidding process. You're saying that it might be competitive, and that your bidding would depend on, just the environment there is for, or the kind of demand there is for these blocks. There is, of course, a dispute with Iraq over the royalty for oil. So, given the controversy, how would you defend this decision to go ahead for this acquisition?
You see, yes, there is a little bit of political risk, but we have seen that this is a very sound country and politically managed. And I don't think there will be any problem. And those problems will be at international level. It won't come to the business. Secondly, there are insurance risks also are available about the country risks, etc. That also we are looking for. But we don't think that there is any risk over there. Once you get the oil-rich countries do not fight with their explorer or those companies who are doing good business in their country. So we don't have any problem about Khurshid government or the political interference from there.
Okay, and BPCL has also given you the decision to go ahead for this
they have not given, but we will take BPCL, and if BPCL is not there, then we have got several the Government of India's oil companies like IOL, HPCL, and ONGC Videsh. So we don't see any problem, because we have taken BPCL to Mozambique and Brazil, and the huge success they have made. So at Government of India level, whatever we say, they listen to us.